Hey everybody, it's Issa again, and I am back with another quick video. Now today's video is going to be about time. Now time is something that we all have come accustomed to, but in the sense of thinking about time, I think a lot of people have the idea of they might not have enough time to do the things that they want to do, to enjoy life, to make enough money, to really do anything. It's always a battle between how much time you have and how you manage that time. Now, I understand that, I'm a realist. I understand that, as years go by, time is, passing you by and you're getting older and things and opportunities could be slipping away in a sense, because I really don't believe that. I think opportunities always present themselves to us and they never stop presenting themselves to us. As long as that we're open to receiving them, they will always present themselves to us. But the point of time, but when we take a look at time and we really understand what the process is really all about, in it, we come to realize that in this time, like right now, what we're doing, we're planning our futures. We're, deciding what moves to make now so our futures can be brighter later on in time. And when you think of it like that, then you're saying, okay, I'm preparing for my future now, so when my future gets here, wouldn't it already be the past? Because I already did what it is that I needed to do to get to my future? If that makes any sense. We really spend a lot of time focusing on the future. We think about what we want, what we don't want, and thinking about what happened in the past, that's even more ludicrous, because that time has already passed. That you can't go back. You can't, change anything about it. All you can do is learn from the errors that you made and correct them as you go on. So the thing about time, for me, and what a lot of people actually think, is that it's not real. Time is not real. That we are forever in the now, and it's what we do now that predict what's going to happen to us in the future. And I don't know if what I was saying made much sense to everybody, but I really want people to really understand that, and really understand that, it's not about where you're going. It's not about the destination. It's about the journey. Because when you get there, it's not like you're going to stop dreaming. It's not like you're going to, say this is it. And if you do say this is it, then you should be ready to die, because life goes on. Life doesn't just stop at, I made this goal and it's over. It keeps on going until you die. So we have to learn to appreciate the journey. The journey is where we find our happiness. And I think that's everybody's goal, is to find your happiness. And you have to find that happiness in yourself and appreciate the path that you're on, and trust your intuition and trusting yourself. I know that right now is the full moon in Capricorn, and it's a beautiful full moon, and the energy should be really helping everybody to realize that trusting yourself and trusting your intuition is the best thing that you can do, and just enjoy life. And I always say, meditation and really putting yourself in a state where you can be calm and you can realize the bigger picture in all this, and realize that your happiness is within you, and everything that you do in life should be towards your purpose, be towards the things that you really want, not the superficial things, not the things that everybody else has, but the things that's going to make your heart happy, and that's special to you, not to everybody else. And this video, I really wanted to touch on that and talk about time, because those are sometimes the things that hold us back, because we think, well, I missed miss my opportunity, or I don't have enough time. But you always have enough time. You always have enough time, and it's what you do in this time, at this moment, that's gonna allow you to live the life that you want to live. And it's not about the destination. It's the journey, baby. It's the journey. It's getting there. It's enjoying the path. It's making those decisions. It's taking risks. It's being just everything that you want to be. That's what it's about. So I hope you guys found great value in this video, and that when you are thinking about your goals, that you understand that it's what I'm doing now that's gonna get me to where I'm going. And that's all I need to focus on, what I'm doing now. If I keep my head down, if I focus on what I'm doing, I'm gonna be good. I don't have to, be up in the sky daydreaming. And daydreaming is good. It's good to have an imagination and have a vision of where you're going to, but to bunker down and put your head down and focus in and be okay with where you're at and be happy with the choices that you're making and continuing to, believe in yourself is the best thing that's for all of us and the best way that we could find our happiness. So if this is your first time watching my videos on the Wise Entrepreneur channel, welcome. This channel is dedicated to everybody who wants to learn and push themselves forward in their life and really become not only financially independent but mentally independent, and really want to move in the right direction in their lives. So if you like this video, please like and comment, and for sure subscribe to the Wise Entrepreneur channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.